Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I'll be showing you in detail how you can start your very own LLC in Texas. We're also going to be discussing about that very important term called piercing the corporate veil and how you can protect your business from it. So you're going to want to go through this whole video because it's very important. There are several reasons to start a limited liability company in Texas. Texas is one of those most prominent states for getting potential customers. It holds the second position in the USA in terms of economic and demographic standards. Due to the dynamic and advanced educational and industrial provisions, having a business in Texas is going to certainly lead to profit maximization within no time. Having an LLC in Texas is less complicated and has lesser tax burdens than other business structures. There is no direct income tax on business income. So if you're interested in setting up an LLC in Texas, you've come to the right place. Having an LLC not only protects your personal assets, but it's also much less complicated than other business structures. Texas laws make it very easy to establish your LLC. The online proceedings for an LLC in Texas can be completed in just 3 business days. Filing through mail can take up to 5 to 7 business days. But I'm going to be going through all of the steps that you must take to ensure that your Texas LLC is correctly made. First off, what exactly is an LLC? Well, a limited liability company is a hybrid business entity which combines a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and thus gives you personal asset protection. You can start it off by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Now, with ZenBusiness, you get 3 plans: the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. It is perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. Now, the starter plan has all the essential services required to form an LLC. It is a suitable plan for you if you want a budget-friendly LLC formation plan. The starter plan is available at $0. However, the mandatory state filing fee has to be paid to the state. It is very cost-effective and offers all the essential services like your registered agent and your operating agreement draft in one package. The Pro plan offers some essential additional services along with the main services offered in the starter plan. Also, in the Pro plan, it takes lesser time to form your LLC. So what do you get? You get advertising consultant, you get an annual compliance service, and you get expedited filing process. Now, coming to the premium plan, it is the most costliest plan offered by Zen Business, but it offers almost all services related to the formation of an LLC. In addition to the services mentioned, like they were in Starter Plan and Pro Plan, it offers a faster filing process, a business website, a domain, and your email address. If you're starting an LLC and you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and you have to pay a filing fee of $300. Now we're going to dive deep into the steps that you need to follow for your Texas LLC. The very first step while forming your LLC in Texas is to give it a proper name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows all the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the guidelines at our website, llcbuddy.com. The specific requirements that need to be followed when you start off your naming the company is number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business can have the same name. Now, you can also perform the Texas Business Entity Name Search and just find out if the name's available or not. Number 2, LLC or Limited Liability Company has to be there as a suffix in your business name. You cannot use any name for your business that could be confusing or could be misleading, such as State Department, Treasury, FBI, CIA. They cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements are fulfilled by the Texas state government. A quick tip: if you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you kind of want to hold on to the name that you have decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. Now, to keep the name, you need to file the reservation application and pay $40 to reserve your name. Now, the second step to forming an LLC in the state of Texas is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business entity that's going to be acting or working on your LLC's behalf. This person or business will be the middleman who's going to receive all the important documents and the legal documents and the notices and official government correspondence within Texas and pass them to you. It is emphasized that one should really hire a good registered agent for your safety. You don't want to get into trouble just because you missed out on an important document while you were busy with your business. You need to make sure your registered agent is a resident of Texas or at least has a physical address there. Their business address or the principal address should be in Texas. Most LLC formation companies also provide registered agent service. ZenBusiness provides a registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. Now here we're going to talk about the term I used at the start, which was piercing the corporate veil. Now most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to do is check, do you have a registered agent? Is it legit? And have they been filing the correct paperwork? The third and another important step to starting off your LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It costs you $300 to file your formation certificate within Texas. You can do it online or you can send it off via mail. The certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, and the structure of your company, whether you're member managed or you're manager managed. So before you're hiring employees in your Texas LLC, once you really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly, we personally recommend that you use Zen Business to file a certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any of the steps. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support that's going to definitely help you out as soon as they can. Now, moving on to the fourth step, which is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. Now, this document is super vital as it ensures that all of the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business dissolution, and a lot more. This actually helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing an LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement. But it is ideal that you have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done using a professional service such as Zen Business, since they know exactly what you do and you won't have to worry about missing any of the details. The EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it much easier to identify the types of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is super necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. Now, to obtain an EIN, one has to fill up a form, which can be done online or by mail, and submit it to the IRS. You need to enter the details of your LLC and finally complete the form and just send it off to the address that's given. You can also get EIN through Zen Business, which can help you with the process. If you're making your Texas LLC by yourself, it will probably take you a longer period of time and possible confusion regarding the steps that are required to initiate the process. This is where Zen Business comes in. Going through their website is going to be a much faster process, and there's a great customer support always there to help you out in case you're confused at any of the steps. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there and check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. As you can see, they're offering expedited filing, annual worry-free compliance, tax deduction, virtual business guides, free tax consultations. That's a lot. If you want to go through the premium package, you can go and check it out as well. It is high priced, but it also has its advantages depending on what you require. If you're a bigger corporation, you might do better with premium. Otherwise, a pro plan or starter plan is more than enough to start off your LLC. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual worry-free compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything. And then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you've created your Texas LLC, there are still a few things that you're going to need. You need a company business bank account. You need to file the Texas business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which covers your employees. And you need to file the Texas LLC annual report every year. So this was an in-depth video on how you can start your LLC in Texas. I really hope it helps you out in setting up your LLC, and good luck to all of you out there who are starting off their business. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. I'll see you in the next video.